A is for antelope, running very fast. Antelope, antelope, racing past and past. B is for bunny, hopping in the sun. Bunny, bunny, jumping is so fun. C is for cat, soft and sweet. Cat, cat, purring at your feet. D is for dog, barking loud and clear. Dog, dog, wagging tail from ear to ear. E is for elephant, big and gray. Elephant, elephant, swinging trunk all day. F is for fox, clever and bright. Fox, fox, running with delight. G is for giraffe, tall and grand. Giraffe, giraffe, stretching neck of the ball. I is for iguana, crawling on the ground. Iguana, iguana, moving all around. J is for jaguar, spotted and fast. Jaguar, jaguar, running past and past. K is for koala, cuddly in a tree. Koala, koala, climbing happily. L is for lion, roaring so loud. Lion, lion, king of the crowd. M is for mouse, squeaky and sweet. Mouse, mouse, running on tiny feet. N is for newt, tiny and sly. Newt, newt, crawling quietly by. O is for owl, hooting at night. Owl, owl, watching with big round sight. P is for penguin, waddling on ice. Penguin, penguin, sliding looks so nice. Q is for quokka, smiling all day. Quokka, quokka, hopping in the hay. R is for rabbit, jumping here and there. Rabbit, rabbit with fluffy hair. S is for squirrel, climbing up a tree. Squirrel, squirrel, happy as can be. T is for tiger, stripes orange and black. Tiger, tiger, prowling down the track. U is for unicorn, magical and true. Unicorn, unicorn with sparkles too. P is for vulture, soaring high in the sky. Vulture, vulture, flying way up high. V is for whale, swimming in the sea. Whale, whale, biggie as can be. X is for X-ray fish, see-through and small. X-ray fish, hiding by the wall. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Yak, yak, walking all day long. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white. Zebra, zebra, running with delight.